Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of the brand new 2021-2022 classic Erin Condren Life Planner. There was definitely different upgrades made to this planner for 2021-2022, including the neutral palette and the colorful palette that's actually in mid-century circles this year. But you also got this beautiful floral design, and there's 4 different flowers that you can choose from. All 4 of them flowers, you can choose a different color for your background cover. I ended up getting mine customized. I love the way the font is. It's very beautiful, but yet simple. So yes, let's get on with the walkthrough. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates for when I upload next. Also, I have an A5 ring bound life planner that I'm going to be doing in the next couple days that is brand new to Erin Condren, along with the brand new pen folio that holds a massive amount. So let's get on with the walkthrough. I ended up opting for the platinum coil. I used to love the black coil. They don't have that no longer though. I don't know why, but I would love for them to bring it back. I just always loved that black coil. I don't know if anybody watching this video has ever ordered a black coil, but it is absolutely beautiful. The black coil would go really good with the accents on the floral. So again, her covers are easily removable. They snap in, snap out. These nails are on their last leg, so that's why it's a little harder right now for me. So now we're getting into the contents. So before I start the contents of the inside of the life planner, these are the freebies you get. There's actually 3 of these. I already lost 2 of them. There may be the 2 floating around through the pages. I don't know. But they're little cards that you can send to people that have quotes on them. This one is "I'm so grateful for you." I like to also laminate these and punch them into an A5 or a personal size ring bound, or even laminate it and add one of the Erin Condren coil clips onto it. And like I said, there's 3 of them. I don't know where the other 2 went. They magically disappeared. Then you have 2 gift labels for when you mail out packages or Happy Mail, and then you have 2 20% coupon codes, one for yourself, one for a friend, both for friends, both for you, whatever you choose. I do have a referral link that I will put in the description box where you can get $10 off your first Erin Condren order, and if anybody is interested in a 20% off coupon code, I will send you that privately, that coupon code, and you can use that on top of the $10 if you never ordered before. And then you just got welcome to the EC family, and it just basically tells you the gifts that were inside. You got a circle label, which I don't know where that went either. That's to customize the life planner box. They all come in these kind of storage boxes. Obviously, this is an old one. The floral one is upstairs, so I wasn't able to get it, but it has the floral pattern on it. I wanted to do an unboxing, but I never got around to it. So these were the gifts. I suggest that you use a wet erase marker because the wet erase marker will not come off on your vellum, where the dry erase marker does. The vellum, as you can tell, it has the floral accents all throughout the pages. The vellum is like 2 times thicker than it was in previous years. I got the horizontal layout. That was actually an oops. I meant to get vertical. I always use vertical, but I'm making do. It's just most of my millions of planner sticker kits are made for vertical life planners. I like using the horizontal with not much decoration to it, but I am a sticker decorator in my planner, so it's trying to find a balance. Then you have this 2 beautiful floral page. If you want something you never had, do something you have never done. You have your sturdy laminated tabs. So you got 2021 and then 2022 year at a glance on 2 pages. And then you have these goal pages, you can really use them for anything: social media, your blog, a YouTube channel if you have them. You can use it for cleaning routines, you can use it for goals, you can use it for your kids, for school, anything your heart desires. I honestly don't ever know what to do with this page. I really do like the idea of it, but I don't know what to do with it. Anyway, and then you go into July. Again, I got July 2021 to June of 2022. You can also get January to December of 2022, only if you like. July is an orchid, and as you can tell, you have your month on 2 page for July 2021, and then you have the orchid decorations. And then I'm not gonna like show you all the weeks, but this is what the horizontal on 2 pages looks like. And then you have a line page, and then you have like a dashboard page that you could do whatever you want, like a month at a glance type page. And then you go into your week on 2 pages. See, the stickers just for the verticals aren't, the stickers for the vertical planners are a little bigger. I may order a couple horizontal kits, because I used to actually order horizontal kits when I used the horizontal planner. It's funny because when I first started using Erin Condren planners back 8 years ago, I was a horizontal planner. So as you can see, you have the whole month of July. That was like a total fail. See, I don't really know how to decorate the horizontal because I'm so used to the vertical. And then you have a blank page, and then this month is a poppy. Then you got August. Again, blank line page. You have your month at a glance. Your weekly. I like using a lot of highlighters. I suggest the micro perm if you're going to use highlighters, because the micro perm, like the type of pen, it's a 0.05. It's fine enough, but not too fine, and it's almost like a marker pen, but it's permanent, and they're perfect for Chrissy Designs since her stickers are vinyl. These are from Let's Planet. I love Let's Planet. I haven't ordered planner stickers in so long. I am so overdue. So this is August, and again, at the end of your weeks, you have a blank page, and then it goes into the next month. Each month has a different flower, but then your decoration for that month is the same type of decoration as the flower for that month. Again, line page, month at a glance, and then your weeks. So then we go into November. As you can see, it has that same flower as decoration for November. Blank page, go into December. Again, month on 2 pages. Your weeklies on 2 pages. And then, like I said in the beginning, these are super sturdy. Her laminated tabs. And her paper quality GSM is freaking amazing. Okay, so this is lavender, and I love the lavender. Again, blank page, month at a glance, and then you get into your weekly, and it has the lavender decor. And I love the script. Okay, so then we're getting into March. Again, month on 2 pages, blank page, month at a glance, your weeklies. Then we got a daisy for April. Again, your blank page. And then again. And then you got May, which is a lily. You got the lily decorations. Rose. So then you got the rose. Blank page, month at a glance. And then as you can see, it still has that flower from May, and then you'll have the rose on your June pages. And then each week has a little calendar at the bottom for that month that you're in. All right, so this was the last month, June of 2022. So once you get past that, you have your notes section. So you got 1, 2 with a sturdy laminated tab, 3, 4, I think that's 5 actually, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got 10 line pages, and then I love the contacts. So she had contacts many years ago, did away with them, and then brought them back. But I like the way she brought it back where it was only 1 page. Let's be real, we use our phones for everything, especially contacts. So I only use this for like websites I like, sticker shops, you know, stuff like that. And then you got your 2023 perpetual calendar, which I can't even plan my day in front of me, let alone 2023. So that's always blank. But as you can see, for the people who do plan, I want to show you that you have 3 circles with the 3 lines. If you have anything, say you have a wedding or an anniversary, birthdays, you can put them in the months if you choose. And then this is the end of your life planner. Spread the power of infinite possibilities. And then you have the floral stickers to then you have the floral stickers to match the floral life planner. I really apologize for all the banging in the background. This is insane. This is insane. It's insane. Alright, so it has the floral pattern in the stickers, just like the floral pages. And then you have these circles and to do this week. Reschedule. I like the rose gold accent habit trackers. And then you have the to-do scripts. And then you have happy birthday. This is like a celebration birthday type sticker page. I like these boxes with the silver accents. You have your headers like you always have with the silver stripped accents. And I love the color palette of this. And this is a brand new page. This is to customize your calendar with this enhanced sticker sheet. This is for different holidays and everything that maybe you wouldn't put in, like Groundhog's Day, if you chose to put in. So these all come off individually. There we go. See, they're just like little tiny sticker. Groundhog's Day, Black History Month begins, International Women's Day, and so on. Then you have your double pocket folder. It's a lot sturdier this year. You have the Erin Condren emblem in rose gold, and then you have your perpetual calendar that I never use. I'll probably give to my mom. With January through December, just to list different things, and you can keep this tucked in your back pocket. And then you have your back cover. Again, snap out, snap in. And then on the back cover, you can also write down to-dos and routines on and so on and so forth. But again, use a wet erase marker so it will not come off onto your folder. And I would love to hear in the comment section below what you think of the brand new Erin Condren 2021-2022 Life Planner. I would love to know what you feel about the upgrades and the different options that are available now, like the floral accents on the pages and the scripts. I am really loving it so far. So make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think. Again, if you're interested in a 20% coupon, let me know, and I will send it to you. First one who asks is the first one who gets it. And also, I will leave my link in the description box so you can get $10 off your Erin Condren order. Again, everybody, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that little notification bell icon so you can get future videos for when I upload the A5 planner and the brand new pen folio. So when I upload, so you can get the notifications for when I upload that brand new A5 ring bound life planner from Erin Condren, because that is a biggie. She's never offered anything like that, along with the Erin Condren massive size pen folio. You need to see this massive pen folio for real. Okay, everybody, thanks again for watching and have a great night.